Hi guys, I'm Remy. I'm very happy to welcome you today in the headquarters and the warehouse of Le Griddle. Come to visit us, please. Le Griddle is a French manufacturer of griddles. We do only griddles each day, but we do it very well. We have 5 different products, 2 electric size and 3 gas size. For the electric range, we have the 16-inch and the 30 inches. For the gas range, we have the 16-inch, 30-inch and 41 inches. Each of our gas griddle works on LP gas and natural gas. All of our griddles are very versatile. You can use it on a cart or built-in, even just put on a countertop. But you ask why we are so special. We are not one more griddle on the market. We are very special griddles, and I said we are the best griddles of the market. We combine stainless steel 304 and a cast iron heater. It's very unique in the world, and it's our patent. Okay, now let's have a little walk around the warehouse.